You can see, look at right out here, sits a little cat. Now, I am allergic to cats. You can see, look at him pop his head up. But I am allergic to cats. But this is Danny's Diecast. I'm Danny. And I wanted to tell you guys that I had a great time this past Monday. A great time with my sisters, my Aunt Pam, my wife, my kids. All just a great everything. Phil was there, and me and him talked YouTube. We talked it the whole time, and it was absolutely great. And I have my coffee. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Let me take a sip of my beautiful coffee. My beautiful coffee, brought to you by the 3000toys.com. And then I have these. These are the shop trucks from 2018, all the way from Hot Wheels. And they are beautiful cars, and I just want to get right into them. This is the 1983 Chevy Silverado with Borla, the Borla on the side. Johnson City, Oxnard. This is an absolutely great casting. What a beauty. I mean, you can see, look at the red stripes going right up the back. Well, right down the front, I should say. Metal body, metal base, rubber tires. This is just an absolutely great truck. A great truck. With the Borla right there on the side. You can see that. The Borla. Wow, what a fine looking truck. What a fine looking truck. This next truck is the 1960s Ford Econoline pickup. This is just an absolute, in full red, metal body, metal base, rubber tires with a skateboard right in the back. You can see, wow. It's Caballeros. Or, no, Caballeros. Wow, look at that. It's, and once again, look at the front, and these are all rubber tires, metal body, metal base. Look at that front end right there with the Ford logo. It has a Ford logo right on the back as well. Wow, and that is a beautiful truck. I mean, I love it. I love this truck. In red. This next truck is a Volkswagen Caddy. Volkswagen Caddy. It's a service truck with, look at that right there. A very nice truck. Wow, look at that. Metal body, metal base, rubber tires, and you can see once again, there is a skateboard right in the back. It has a moonroof right there. And that is an absolutely gorgeous truck. It's a gorgeous truck. The next truck that we have is the Nissan, or I'm sorry, the Subaru Brat. The Subaru Brat. Metal body, metal base, rubber tires. Look at that. With the Subies moniker right on the side. Metal body, metal base, rubber tires. Look at the painted tail lights. I'm not sure. No painted headlights. Or they might be painted headlights, but I'm just not sure. But that is a work of art. It is a absolute artistry work of art right here, guys. Or should I say, ladies and gentlemen, because there are people. I'm just gonna grab a drink of my coffee. There are people who like ladies and gentlemen because it does not stress the importance, but I will say ladies and gentlemen. And wow, look at that. That's a great truck right there. That is a great truck. And the last one we have in the shop truck series is the custom 62 Chevy with surfboard right in the back, the silver paint, black top. Wow, look at that surfboard hanging right out of the back there. Metal body, metal base, rubber tires. The Champion logo right there on the side. Champion spark plugs. This is absolutely gorgeous. Painted headlights and taillights. Absolutely gorgeous. An absolutely gorgeous truck. But that's beside the point. I need to get back to my coffee, but I wanted to say once again to my daughters, my wife, my sisters, my Aunt Pam, and everybody, Phil. I had a great time with you guys all on Monday. It was a fantastic time. Guys, I want you to like and subscribe to my channel. I want you to share it. I want you to go over to Instagram and just point it out on Instagram that I have an Instagram page now. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget that little cat out there. He's got to be out there somewhere. My coffee. Oh, wow. I just can't wait to drink this coffee right now. I'll see you guys later. That is delicious coffee.